Hi everyone, this is Brad. Today we're taking a look at this right in here, typing in the @ symbol, what that looks like in a Google Doc, as well as the comment feature and what that looks like. Just a few of the differences. So let's say you're working on a document and you want to quickly send this on to someone. What you can do is go ahead and type their email in, and instantly this will come up. They mention people don't have access to the document. So instead of going up in there to share, you can just select share right in here, and you can change how you want them to view it. Do you want them to view, comment, or edit? And then you can go ahead and press share, and you can see that it has now been shared. Now, something else to show you, if you hover over their name, you could go ahead and send an email, a message, you could start a video call, or you could schedule an event from them right there. If you'd like to see a detailed view to show previous interactions with them as well, you can do that right in there. Now, a little bit of the difference between that and using the comment feature, so let's just go ahead in here, is with the comment feature, which if you hover over to the right, there's a comment and suggest edits. If you do the comment, and if I go ahead and I put in this email here, what will happen is, you can see this, it will add people to the discussion and send an email. So I'm going to go ahead and post that comment. And again, this is going to come up where they can comment or edit, allow them to edit. And then you can go ahead and select comment. So you can see the sharing setting has been changed. It also does send them an email. I'll show you that right now. Okay, and you can see right here, been alerted, here is the email that you can go ahead in and check out the document. So there you go. If you do have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.